Hey everyone, and welcome to Joy's Quarantine Kitchen. Today we are going to be making mini English muffin pizzas. They're super simple and quick to make and something the whole family can get creative with. So first off, you're going to preheat your oven at 400 degrees. And then we have our English muffins, mozzarella cheese, some tomato sauce, and pepperoni slices. So you're going to take your English muffin, split them up, and then take the tomato sauce, get a decent amount on there, maybe just a couple of spoonfuls, or really however much you want. There's really no wrong way to do this. And then, once that's complete, take your cheese, mozzarella cheese, sprinkle some, a couple of small handfuls on each one. And I'm going to do one just plain mozzarella, and that's going to put over here on my tray. And also for easy cleanup, you can put down some aluminum foil on your baking pan. And for this one, I'm going to add 3 slices of pepperoni, maybe just a little bit more cheese on there, and we are ready to go. And there they are, your mini English muffin pizzas.